Welcome back to G Reviews. I'm your host Gross. This will be a quick video on our PC rebuild 4.0. Thanks to my wife, she got me some updated PC components for Christmas to be more up to date, especially since we're doing more videos and editing for our YouTube channel. To start the rebuild, we'll be using the 9th gen 8-core Intel i7 9700K processor. It is an unlocked processor that can get up to 4.9 gigahertz CPU speeds. This will be a good step up from my current i5 3rd gen 3000 series that I had since 2013. Memory, we're going with the Corsair brand. We have always liked this brand, not to say that other brands aren't good. We went with this one due to the RGB ecosystem to work with one controlling system to be able to control all the RGB lighting simultaneously. We went with the White One Soil Pop. However, the first thing you'll notice is the vibrant colors. This is a 16 gig setup at 3600 megahertz DDR4. This is plenty for what we need. However, we may double it later to have a 2 dual channel setup, and I'll explain why later. For storage, we went with the 500 gigabyte Samsung 970 EVO SSD, which is an M.2 NVMe interface. The motherboard that we have has 2 slots for the M.2 NVMe SSD. As you may know, this interface provides speeds up to 3400 megabytes per second and up to 2500 megabytes per second write speeds, which is about 5 times more faster than the typical 2.5 inch SSD. To add some aesthetics, we added the solid colored extension cables for the motherboard, GPU, and CPU connectors. Not related to the build is the Deity V-Mic D4 Duo dual capsule micro shotgun microphone. Let me know if you want me to do an unboxing or review for this item. And finally, the motherboard. I received the Gigabit Z390 Aorus Pro with the built-in Wi-Fi 5. This will be compatible with all my updated components, and it also includes a USB Type-C port, an audio optical out for my update on my speaker system in the future, and it also houses 2 NVMe M.2 SSD slot for faster data transfers. What I really liked about this motherboard is the aesthetics and the fact that the RGB lighting is on the nameplate, rear ports, the logo, and it's in between the memory slot holders. If you're still here and like what you saw, please smash the like button. Want to see more? Please subscribe to the G Reviews channel. And don't forget to leave a comment, as I love to hear about your thoughts and ideas, and I'm interested on what PC configurations you have. I won't bore you with another PC build video, as there are millions of them on YouTube. Again, thanks for watching. It's your boy, Gross. And without further ado, introducing PC Build 4.0.